Introducing the future of off-grid exploration, the 2025 Solar Scout 360. A solar-powered camper tricycle that redefines how we think about travel, independence, and sustainable living. Compact, futuristic, and efficient, the Solar Scout 360 isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully self-contained mobile micro-home designed to take you beyond the edge of civilization without ever leaving comfort behind. Let's begin with what makes the Solar Scout 360 so revolutionary. First, the design. Unlike traditional RVs or campers, the Solar Scout 360 is a lightweight three-wheeled platform, built from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and reinforced composite panels. It's aerodynamic and agile, perfect for narrow roads, urban exploration, and remote trails alike. The futuristic body curves are not just for aesthetics, they optimize airflow and solar efficiency. The standout feature, a 360-degree wraparound solar panel canopy. This cutting-edge design integrates flexible solar cells that track sunlight throughout the day, providing continuous charging no matter where you're headed. With a solar capacity of 1.8 kilowatts and a smart inverter system, the Solar Scout 360 can charge its internal battery bank in just 5 to 6 hours of full sunlight, more than enough to power all onboard systems for up to 3 days straight. The integrated battery pack offers 15 kilowatt-hours of lithium iron phosphate storage. That's enough juice to travel up to 90 miles on a single charge with pedal assist, or 60 miles fully electric, and that's without even considering solar top-ups during the ride. Plus, regenerative braking recovers energy whenever you decelerate, increasing overall efficiency. Now, step inside the compact camper pod, and be prepared to be surprised. Despite its small footprint, the interior of the Solar Scout 360 has been designed using modular architecture. It features a convertible sleeping and seating area, a collapsible kitchenette, and even a compact composting toilet system. The walls are lined with insulation derived from recycled materials, keeping the temperature regulated in both summer and winter conditions. The bed folds out to a full-size sleeper for 2 adults. During the day, it transforms into a cozy dinette, complete with a swiveling table made from sustainably harvested bamboo. Overhead, you'll find soft LED lighting and a skylight with smart tinting glass that adjusts based on the sun's intensity. The kitchenette includes a single-burner induction stove, a small sink with a built-in water filter, and a 35-liter fridge powered by the solar battery. Water tanks are integrated into the frame, holding 30 liters of fresh water and 20 liters of gray water. Everything is modular. Every drawer, fixture, and system is built for maximum use of space and multifunctionality. The Solar Scout 360 isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving off the grid. It includes a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot that connects via satellite when needed, a Bluetooth-enabled sound system, and even a fold-out workstation for remote work or digital nomad life. A detachable awning extends from the side to create a shaded outdoor lounge, complete with fold-out chairs and a collapsible table, all tucked away in cleverly hidden compartments. In terms of safety, the Solar Scout 360 is equipped with smart sensors for rear-view monitoring, obstacle detection, and even biometric door locks. GPS tracking and anti-theft systems ensure that whether you're parked deep in nature or in a bustling city, your camper remains secure. The electric trike component features a 1,500-watt rear hub motor and a 10-speed pedal assist system. Whether you want to cruise silently or get in some exercise, it adapts to your style. Hydraulic disc brakes on all 3 wheels provide confident stopping power, even on steep terrain. The ride is surprisingly smooth, thanks to independent suspension on the rear axle and shock absorbers on the front fork. And it doesn't stop there. The Solar Scout 360 is built to be customizable. Buyers can choose between several add-on packages. Off-road adventure, which includes all-terrain tires, extra clearance, and a roof rack for kayaks or bikes. The Urban Explorer, which adds additional insulation, solar window blinds, and enhanced soundproofing, or the Long-Range Nomad, which upgrades the solar and battery systems to extend total range by an additional 40%. The vehicle also supports plug-in capabilities. If needed, it can be charged using a standard wall outlet, a fast-charge EV station, or even another camper in a caravan group. Its bidirectional inverter allows it to serve as a backup power source for tents, smaller e-bikes, or portable tools, making it ideal for group expeditions or solo journeys alike. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to the use of rust-proof materials and a digital diagnostic system that alerts you via the companion app when something needs attention. The trike can even be upgraded via firmware updates, allowing new features to be downloaded directly as the company rolls them out. What really sets the 2025 Solar Scout 360 apart is its philosophy. It's not just about mobility, it's about freedom. With zero fuel costs, nearly no maintenance, and complete energy independence, this camper trike allows you to live life on your own terms. Whether you're navigating forest trails, coasting along coastlines, or parked in the middle of a desert, the Solar Scout 360 is your personal spaceship, grounded, eco-friendly, and ultra-capable. In a world shifting toward sustainability and minimalism, the Solar Scout 360 is more than a camper. It's a movement. It challenges the conventions of big, bulky, gas-hungry RVs and invites a new generation of travelers to rethink what adventure really looks like. And perhaps most importantly, it brings travel back to its essence: simplicity, connection with nature, and the joy of the open road. Quietly humming on solar power, compact enough to go almost anywhere, and smart enough to support a modern lifestyle, the Solar Scout 360 may just be the perfect balance of form, function, and freedom. The future of camping isn't loud, it's not wasteful, and it definitely isn't stuck in the past. The future is here, and it's rolling on 3 wheels, powered by the sun. This is the 2025 Solar Scout 360. And it's going to change everything.